keep your search and display network campaigns separately. So although the default when you're setting up the campaign is for both, you uncheck those because they're two completely different metrics. Search is always going to be high intent, where somebody has gone to Google and put in a search term because they have a problem and they're looking for a solution. The display network is completely different, where you stumble upon an ad, just like you are reading a magazine, you're flicking the pages and the ads in there pop up, you don't know which one it will be. But on the display network, you can target them through audience targeting or through keywords, and there are lots of other targeting options as well. But the metrics are not the same. Obviously the cost per click is completely different, the click-through rate would be different, so it's not going to muddy those metrics when you have both of them together. Keep them separate in separate campaigns, keep them separate budget, because the display network is going to eat up your budget very quickly, and your search campaigns will not get a look in, and you'll wonder, why am I not getting conversions?